welcome to Chord on Guitar. So we have one other song from Justin Bieber called Loved by You featuring Burna Boy. And this one is easy, as many of Justin Bieber's songs. We have a cool intro which is played during the verse also, first verse. And then we have a cool strumming pattern which goes on through the whole song the same way. So let's start with the first one here, the capo set on the first fret. We have standard tuning and we have 4 chords that we need to know. So the chords are the F major 7 and it's played like this, 3rd on the D, 2nd on the G, 1st on the B, and open E. So F major 7. Then we'll go to a C chord, like this. It's 3rd on the A, 2nd on the D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we go to the G chord. This, and we have this here on the 3rd fret E string, 2nd A, open D, open G, and I prefer to hold my ring finger here on the 3rd B and my little pinky on the 3rd E. And then last we have this C chord with B in the bass. Many people hold this chord like this. I make it as simple as possible, so I don't even use my ring finger there, so I just hold these two and it works as good as the original like this. So I only hold these two, and what that is, it's the 2nd on the A string, and then it's open D, open G, and 1st B, and open E. So only 2 fingers used there. So that covers the chords. So let's start with this intro, which is also played in the verse. And it's based on the F major 7 and the C chord. So we start with the pattern for the F major 7, which is played 2 times, and it looks like this. So 2 times. So I'm playing the 1st fret here on E string, and the open string E down here, and then the 3rd fret B and 2nd fret G. So E, B, G. Yeah, like this. So 2 times you play this, and notice that I'm having a small pause there, which is the feeling in the song. So after here we pause a bit. Pause. Yeah, then we go on to the grip, which is based on the C chord, and it's played like this. And what that is, it's the 3rd here on the A string, it's the 3rd on the E string, 3rd on the B string, and 1st on the B string. So A, E, 3rd B, 1st B. So also here have a little pause after every part of it. So pause, pause. Yeah. So all together it will sound like this. So that is one round of it, and you're gonna play 3 rounds to cover the whole first verse. And then we come to the chorus, and from there on we don't play this melody, so we only use this strumming pattern, and it's the same through the whole song. So if we start with the strumming pattern, it's down, down, up, down, up. So I can demonstrate with the F major 7, which is the first chord in the chorus. So it's simple as that. So just to make it clear how to play everything here with the strumming pattern, I'm gonna use only the bass note here to demonstrate the chord progression and how you're gonna play it. I'm gonna show you with the strumming pattern a little bit later. So first of all, we're gonna use the F major 7 here. We're gonna play it 3 times. And on the 4th time you just quickly go to the F major 7 and you hit the C as a stepping stone and off to the G. So 1, 2, 3, 4, C, G. So one more time. F, C, G. So it's F, C, G as a bridge to the G chord. So F, C, G. And there you play 3 Gs. So F, C, G, 2, 3, and then C, B, and back to F. So that is how you play the chorus. So if I play it all together and only using this one downstroke, and then afterwards I'm gonna demonstrate how to use the strumming pattern there. So that is the chorus. And how do you use the strumming pattern to get this bridge to the G here? Yes, you're gonna play 3 full of F major 7. So down, down, up, down, up. That's 1. So 3 full of these. And then when you play on the 4th F, you're just gonna play the first 2 downs. So down, down, and then 2 of the C, down, down. And then you play full of the G. And so on. So slowly it will sound like this. And a little bit standard tempo, it will sound like this. Yeah, and from there on we are on the kind of the last part of the chorus or the post-chorus. and this is the part where he sings "I Need to Be Loved by You." It's the chorus where we ended here. It was on the F major 7. So there you're gonna play 4 full. So and no bridge here, just the G directly from the F major 7. 3 times. And here comes the bridge. C, C, B, B, and full F major 7. 4 times. No bridge. G. 2, 3, and the bridge. C, C, B, B. And then we're on to the second verse. And this is the part where Burna Boy comes in the picture. So he sings there, and this verse differs just slightly from the first verse. There are no like these bridges, it's just straightforward. So the second verse will be 4 of F major 7. So and then to the G 3 times. Fourth time he plays the C chord here, so and that's 1 round. You play these 2 times, so all in all, in the second verse, it will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, C, back to it. 2, 3, 4, and here he just stops. It becomes like this little break, and then we're on to the chorus again. So I think that pretty much covers this song. The tricky part here could be to get this melody going on in the intro, in the verse, but I think when you just look at it for a while, I think you're gonna nail that one. So that's pretty much is the whole thing. I hope you appreciate this one. If you did, please thumb up, and yeah, of course, if you would like to subscribe, it would be great for me. So follow me on this channel and we go together. So that's it, and don't play tuned.